Yes, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are going to be presenting about our AI project, which is the class attendance using face recognition. So before we proceed with our presentation, I will introduce to our group members of this project. So first we have Mohammad bin Samsudin with metric number 205770. So he is programmer of our group, so he's responsible for designing and developing our smart attendance program. Next is myself, Fikri bin Muhammad Suhaimi, metric number 205907, and I am the report writer of this project. And then next, we have Aiman Humaira, Binti Azrul Rozaiman, metric number 207528. So she is the blog writer who designs and writes the blog. And then next, Ahmad Faiz bin Zainuddin, 205456. He is also our report writer. And lastly, we have Muhammad Hifzhan bin Abdul Halim, 205570. And he is our blog writer also. And then we move on to introduction.
Okay, so I will introduce for our project. So face recognition is a popular technology used nowadays. In this project, our group will create a face recognition system using a certain algorithm and software. Before we discuss further, let us introduce what is face recognition system. Face recognition is a way of identifying or confirming an individual's identity using their face. Face recognition systems can be used to identify people in photos, videos, or in real time. Face recognition is a category of biometric security. Besides, how face recognition is used today? The technology is used for a variety of purposes. These include unlocking phones, finding missing persons, and etc. So next, there are several examples of face recognition technology, such as recognition by Amazon. Amazon previously promoted its cloud-based face recognition service, named recognition to law enforcement agencies. So next is Apple. So Apple use facial recognition to help user quickly log into apps and make purchase. So this is similar to our project, which is we using the face recognition for the class attendance. So next we take a look at the objectives. So here we have three objectives. So the first one is to prevent false attendance among the students. So the second one is to record the class attendance efficiently. And last one is to minimize disturbance while the class is held. So next, problem with the old attendance style. So what is the problem with the old attendance style? So the first one is the attendance sheet could get misplaced, damaged, or lost. So the second one is the student who was not in the class while the attendance sheet was being passed around. For example, maybe the student, she or he go to the toilet. So she or he would miss out to sign the attendance, though they attend the class. So for the third problem is the student can sign another student's attendance, which enables absent students to lie about their attendance. So this is one way with the old attendance style. So the last problem is it disturbs students' focus during the class. Okay, so that's all for the problem. So next is what is the solution for the class attendance? So for our group, we propose to using the face recognition to overcome this problem. So the solution for this problem is by using face recognition to record the class attendance. This will ensure no cheating can be done by any students when they are trying to record the attendance, since it needs to detect the face to prove the students present to the class. Furthermore, face recognition can reduce the disturbance among the students in the class because the students do not need to sign the attendance during the class time, but the system will recognize the student's face and sign the attendance for them before the class starts or before entering the class. Thus, using face recognition is the efficient way to record the class attendance since it is not disturbing the class time. Okay, that's all for my part. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Hifzhan. Next, I'll be presenting about the algorithms. So, there are several algorithms that can be implemented to create this class attendance using face recognition AI system. Some of them include TensorFlow module implementation, HR cascade classifiers, and convolutional neural networks, CNN. So the first algorithm is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a framework created by Google and is used in building a face recognition model. TensorFlow comes with pre-trained models that make image classification simple. By using TensorFlow, image classification is done by using convolutional neural network CNN. Typically, in order to construct a model, the classification of the photos only requires to supply a similar image, which is the positive image. Then, using a technique called anchoring or transfer learning, the picture is trained and retrained. With TensorFlow, once a developer had generated a model, everyone is free to utilize it. So that's the first algorithm. The next one is HR cascade classifiers. HR cascade classifier is a machine learning based approach of which the classifier is trained by using many positive and negative images. The HR features on an image makes it simple to identify the image's lines or edges, as well as regions where there is an obvious change in the pixel intensities. HR cascade classifier can build models for face recognition, eye detection, upper body detection, and lower body detection. Finally, algorithm 3 is convolutional neural networks. So this algorithm is a form of artificial neural network that is specifically made to process pixel data. CNN uses a multi-layer perceptron that has been optimized for low processing requirements, an input layer, an output layer, and a hidden layer with several convolutional layers. Pooling layers, fully connected layers, and normalization layers make up a CNN's layer. So finally, the algorithm we chose is TensorFlow. For our class attendance using face recognition system, our team chooses to use TensorFlow module. This is because TensorFlow has pre-trained models that help with image classification. Thus, we do not have to create the model from scratch. Moreover, the TensorFlow are able to perform out high performance numerical computations. It has great architecture support, making it simple to deploy computations across a range of platforms. That's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, reflection. First of all, we would like to say thank you. Thank you to Dr. Noazah for guiding us throughout the semester when teaching this intelligence computer course. It is something that we can never achieve, such as to complete this project without the guidance from her. For instance, the project that we create, which is the face recognition used for the attendant record system. Attendant record is something that can be used to record the class attendance more efficiently. Furthermore, it not only will help the lecturer, but it will also help the student, since the attendance is not taken during the teaching time but before the class start. Besides, through this project, we are able to learn a lot of algorithms that can be used to keep the face recognition system, such as the date time module used to detect the student who come early or late to the class. We also learned a lot of software or platform used to create the face recognition system, such as OpenCV, TensorFlow, and NumPy. Lastly, we also improve our communication and teamwork skills during this project, and thanks to all the team members for playing their role to complete the task distributed to them. And conclusion, the purpose of this project is to create face recognition to record the class attendance. This focus on to improve or change the old style attendance with the better one, which is by using face recognition. This will benefit many people, especially the student and the lecturers. For the current version of this project, it can only detect a certain number of students due to the given time, and we are sure the number will increase in the future research. Hence, in the future, we intend to improve this face face recognition project for the class attendant by providing more function, and we believe this project will be essential for the student. That's all from me. I will pass to next presenter.
Alright, thank you, Faiz. So we will continue on the prototype. So this is the program. So you can see how I import TensorFlow, NumPy, OpenCV, and time, and also the date time. So this is the function for the mark attendance. Then it is the function for today to get the date, and the rescale frame function, change the resolution function, and face extractor to extract face from image and light from the live camera. So we have the cascade classifier, which is the HAR cascade. So we will try to run this code. So at first we have the blank file for the attendance. So to this day, 6, 7. So for this program, I set it to the class time is start at 22 hours. So it should be at 10 o'clock. So right now is 9:31. So we will try to run this code. So it can detect me. This is me, Norman. So if no one here, so no face found. No face found. Then there's me again, Norman. And if Faiz, can you come here, please? Okay, that's Faiz. So this program still have problem to detect any human, but it can detect for prototype can be test for my face. Then let's check up what is on the attendance. So here we can see my name, Norman, then the time, and I come early to the class. So that's how it works. So this program can be more improved by not using hard code of the time. So I just hard code it. Maybe it can be placed on file. Sorry. So to make it more commercial, can be more commercial. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our pitch. That's all from us. Thank you.